industrial projects are becoming more complex, distributed, and data-driven. Plant designers, structural engineers, BIM managers, and external stakeholders need to collaborate on the same project information, often from different locations. But when data is stored locally, teams face VPN constraints, firewall configuration, manual file exchanges, outdated information, and coordination risks. With AutoCAD Plant 3D connected to Forma design collaboration, teams can move plant projects to the cloud and collaborate more efficiently across disciplines. Plant 3D provides specialized tools for PNID design, 3D plant modeling, isometric drawings, orthographic documentation, specifications, catalogs, and data-driven project management. By connecting these workflows to the cloud, teams can check files in and out, publish updates, share design packages, review changes, and coordinate with Revit, AutoCAD, Civil 3D and IFC format, and other project deliverables. With model coordination, clash detection, issue management, and Navisworks integration, problems are identified earlier, assigned to the right people, and tracked until resolution. By combining Autodesk Plant 3D with Forma data management workflows, teams can reduce silos, improve coordination, and keep every stakeholder aligned from design to delivery. If this topic connects to your current priorities, your Autodesk contact can help you take the next step, from sharing more detailed content to setting up a focused discussion with our team.